5 things that can replace plastics. Number 1, bioplastic. Bioplastics are plastic material produced from renewable biomass sources such as vegetable oils and fats. Number 2, sugar cane. Now because sugar cane captures CO2 as it grows, the manufacturing of sugar cane based plastics usually has a neutral impact on the climate change. Number 3, water bubbles from seaweed. Now this is made from seaweed extract. It is an edible bubble which can be filled with water and making it an alternative to plastic bottles. Number 4, edible cutlery. Edible cutlery has been grabbing more and more attention in the recent years. Edible cutlery is compostable and usually made with blend of flours, water, spices and other flavoring, which is absolutely consumable. 5, cellophane. Cellophane is a polymeric cellulose film made from cellulose from wood, cotton, hemp or other sources. These were the finest replacement for plastics. Are you using any of them? Reply in comment box below and let me know.